In this video, I will be teaching you how you can close option position in Charles Schwab. So first thing you need to do is open up your Charles Schwab app and then log in your account. After that, you have to select your account in which you want to cancel your option position. I'm going to select my individual account from here. You just need to tap on it. Then on the screen, you will be able to see the details regarding your selected account. Now under this option section, you will see all of your option positions. Now what you need to do is just click on this three dot menu right next to the position that you want to cancel, and then this drop down menu will appear. From here, you have to click on this close position option. Then it's going to ask you to select additional positions that you want to close. You can select it from here and then click on continue. Then you just have to enter the amount, how much want you, on which price you want to close this position, and you can also select the timing. To do that, click on this review order button, and lastly click on this place order button. And once you do that, your open position will be closed. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.